Wi-Fi not connecting on your Android phone. In this video, step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to fix this common problem, connection problem in your Android phone. So first, you have to just turn off your Wi-Fi, and now you have to just do the here one settings we will tell you. First, you have to just check turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi and check it will be connect. If it is not connect, then you have to just open your mobile settings, go to the mobile settings and open the mobile settings. Now you can see after open the mobile settings, now you have to just click on the search bar and just search here reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. You can find the reset and Wi-Fi Bluetooth settings. Click on the here. After clicking, now you can see here find the reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and if you can find the mobile network also. First, you have to just click on the reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and now you can see the reset settings is there in this downside. Click on the here downside reset. Now your Wi-Fi setting will be reset, and I hope this video is helpful to you. And make sure you after doing these settings, the it will be work 100%, and you can just connect any Wi-Fi network you can easily see. Make sure like and subscribe to the channel, Gen 1 Guide YouTube channel.